Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Make sure you grab those packages ASAP. Holiday season is here, and I know you would hate to lose a nice gift. Watch this guy try to be slick.
Hey, oh my God.
Is Charlie here?
Hello.
Charlie here? Is Charlie here? Charlie?
Yeah, it's packing, not you.
Is that
It's
your son?
packing, not you. Packing, okay?
Yeah. Huh?
Deje ese packing ahí, not you.
Where is he?
It's packing, not you, okay? Okay? It's packing, not you. This is the police,
You
okay?
said what?
This is the police.
I don't understand her.
Go home. Go there. Go.
Go where?
Vamos. To the
Through the
police
door?
and 2 minutes, there's police. Ronald, háblale stupid.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. With Christmas around the corner, these thieves are going to be hitting it extra hard.
You need something?
Hey, get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Bitch, go out through the fucking front! Get the fuck out!
Hey, Dario, I've been looking all around Garfield for you and I can't find you. Where the fuck is you at so I know where to catch you? Hold up, I need to catch bitch, I need to walk my cane. Like,
You're being recorded, man. Hi, can I help you?
yeah, hi, I was just trying to see if everything was okay. I know it may sound weird. I was just wondering if everything was alright. That's all.
You're being recorded. I'm calling my son, all right? You ain't got no
Well,
business over
okay.
there.
I'm only asking because I have family and friends that are in the area and I couldn't call them directly and I was staying here a while ago and I just wanted to know if everything was okay.
You don't live over there. What are you talking about? I'm calling the cops.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm just saying I have friends that are in the area and they needed me to come check on them several times. That's why
My son is
I'm not trying
coming
to.
over the door. Please leave.
Oh, okay, all right. Well,
Leave
thank you.
the packages over there.
No problem. I'm not gonna touch them.
Not sure if he's tweaking or dancing. He's singing some song. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. He claims he needs help, but what he does next is pretty strange.
It's D. It's Derry. I need here. My name is Derry. No, I'm not. I'm not crazy. I need help. Look, I ain't got it. I need some help. Come no.
I really don't recommend buying very expensive gifts online. They tend to get stolen through UPS in the warehouse, or they just never make it to your door, or stuff like this happens where they just come take it from your door. Pretty much, she's getting her Christmas shopping out the way now.
Who is this? Who? Wrong house. Who are you? Ăn đừng mở cửa này. Wrong house. Ở này đừng mở cửa. Wrong house. Wrong house.
This guy's wanted level is definitely on 5. Almost got the whole force after him.
Can we help you?
Sorry, I don't know what they came for, but for this response, it had to be something pretty serious. There's 14 of them.
What y'all want? I see you.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Also, drop a comment below. They keep me motivated.
Sorry.
please don't forget to lock those bikes up or try to put them inside. They're just gonna turn around and give these as gifts to their kids.
Oh, dude.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next.